Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, so we can just swipe down from the top of the screen twice, click on the settings gear right over here, and then navigate to storage. In the drop-down menu, make sure you select SD card. Now it might be differently named. For me it's SanDisk SD card. Not sure why it says SanDisk. I thought that it's a Samsung, but whatever. You can select it, and once selected, click on the three dots right over here, and then select Format. I'm gonna select Format once more, and it gives you a quick message that formatting deletes everything that is stored on that card. So if you have anything there, make sure you back it up if you want to obviously keep some of the data. If you have already done so, you just don't want to preserve anything that is on it, you can select Format. This will now begin formatting the card, which takes a couple of seconds to finish, and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. You're done. Your card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.